Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am having NTPC Recruitment Drive 2021. So guys, NTPC is hiring freshers for the position of Assistant Engineer or Assistant Chemist. Candidates having degree BE or BTech or MSc are eligible for this job role. Before moving to the video, I will suggest all of you to hold on and listen each and every point before you hustle and do silly mistakes. This video will take just 4 to 5 minutes. So now, one important note. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon so that you never miss out any of the upcoming opportunity related to your placement. So guys, company name is National Thermal Power Corporation, NTPC, and position offered is Assistant Engineer or Assistant Chemist. Qualification required is any one of them, BE, BTech or MSc in Chemistry, and your eligible branches are any one of them, Electrical, Mechanical, Electronics or Instrumental. Your salary will lie in the range 30,000 to 1,20,000 and your job locations will be across India. Your job category is full-time and experience required is 1 year. Your upper age limit is 30 years and last date to apply is 10th March. Now next, coming to eligibility criteria. Only Indian nationals are eligible for this job role and qualification required is any one of them, BE, BTech or MSc in Chemistry. If you are from BTech, then you should have specialization in any one of them, Electrical, Mechanical, Electronics or Instrumental with at least 60% of marks. And if you are from MSc, then you should have MSc in Chemistry with 60% marks at least in aggregate. And minimum 1 year post qualification experience in any one of them is required. Operational, maintenance, erection, construction, engineering in thermal or gas power plant. So total vacancies are 230 and categorized in 2 subcategories. Assistant Engineer having 200 posts and Assistant Chemist having 300 posts. Assistant Engineer is further having 3 subcategories. Electrical is having 90 posts, Mechanical having 70 posts and Electronics or Instrumental is having 40 posts. Now next, coming to selection process. Your selection will be based on the online written test and interview, and your final merit will have 85% weightage of online written test and 15% weightage of interview marks. Now next, coming to application fee. If you are general EWS or OBC category, then you have 300 rupees as your application fee and there is no application fee for SC, ST, PWBD, XSM or departmental candidates. Now next, coming to how to apply. Interested and eligible candidates can directly apply through the given link before it expires. So let me just click on the link. After clicking on the link, you will be redirected to this page of NTPC Limited. Here you will find this click here to apply button. Just click on this button. Here you will find this page and here you need to select your functional area, in which specialization you want to work. Suppose I have selected Assistant Engineer Mechanical and submit. Here you will find your search result and this apply button. Read it out and click on this apply button. After clicking on the apply button, you will be redirected to this page for your eligibility check. You need to fill out your personal details, your job title, your additional information for qualification, your work experience and some additional information, and then you need to check your eligibility. If you will be eligible, then you will have a form to fill out your details and then you will be done. So all the very best for this opportunity and see you in the next video.